Warren Buffett purchased 85 million shares of Berkshire Hathaway, purchased 85 million shares of this particular company. In this episode, you're going to learn why I'm making this episode to show you how to read the SEC reports when they come out, how to read them, and also how does this move the market? What effects does this have on the market? So in this episode, I want you guys and girls to stay tuned. But as first, you always got to remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you're now tuned into the Investor Show as always. This is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dykes. Coming to you guys and girls live all the way from beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. So today's episode, we're going to be talking about Berkshire Hathaway. They purchased 85 million shares. How do I know this? No, I'm not going over a report from Yahoo or CNBC or Bloomberg. I'm going to show you guys and girls how to fish. So get your fishing vest and your tackle box and your hat, and let's go on a fishing trip. Excuse me. So the first thing is you go to sec.gov. SEC. That's Sierra Echo Charlie.gov. Once you go to the SEC, and you can see here, once you type in Berkshire Hathaway, this is all the things that Berkshire has filed with the SEC. So if you go back here, starting on July 22nd, all the way until August 4th, Berkshire purchased 85 million shares of a particular company. So the first thing is, you're going to open up, let's open up the latest one. You open up this document here. This is called a Form 4. Berkshire has to file a Form 4 because it is a 10% owner. It's already a 10% owner in the company. So when a 10% owner is doing something or moving something, this is what's happening, right? So you got a 10% owner in the company, right? So now they're telling you starting on July 31st, all the way to August 4th, they purchased how many shares of Bank of America? Berkshire Hathaway already owns 10. They're already a 10% owner of Bank of America, but they have purchased throughout the last few weeks. They purchased more and more shares of Bank of America. They also purchased their own stock, but they purchased a lot of shares of Bank of America. So look here, it tells you July 31st, they purchased 7.1 million shares of Bank of America for $24. Then on August 3rd, they purchased 2.6 million shares of Bank of America for $24. Then on August 4th, which was like 2 days ago, they purchased 3.7 million shares of Bank of America for $24. Now let's go back. If we go back here, we can look again. On July 30th, they reported again on their Form 4. On July 28th, they purchased 5.5 million. They purchased another 6.2 million on the 29th. They purchased 1.9 million on the 29th. They purchased 7.3 million on the 30th of July, right? Now we're going to look back some more. All the way back to the 22nd. I think this is where it started on July 22nd. And you can see they purchased 9.6 million shares on the 20th, 11 million shares, 11.1 million shares on the 21st, 13.1 million shares on the 30th, all of Bank of America for around $23, $24, right? Now, you're wondering, why do I mention this? Let's take a look and see, how does this look on the chart? The money flow chart, how you can see how this moves the market, right? So here, you can look at these dates starting at, remember what date is this here? On the 20th, you see this big green bar. Big green bar came in on the 20th. Then look at the 21st, a larger green bar came in. And the biggest green bar came in on the 29th, right? So you can see these big green bars, and you see a very big bar on July 10th, right? A big green bar means a strong purchaser is coming through, right? And usually when a strong purchase come through, this usually changes the trajectory of the stock. So ever since July 10th, this big strong trajectory came through, and you started to all of a sudden see a little uptick in Bank of America. So these are these big strong buy bubbles that come through, that large investors come through. When you see these big strong, whether they're red or green, if they're big and strong, that means somebody brought a lot or sold a lot of a particular company. And as you can see, when you look at the Form F, we're seeing this now because since Berkshire owns 10% of Bank of America already, when it buys or sells or does anything on the inside, it has to file a form with the SEC. And as an investor, to stay tuned, instead of being reactive and waiting for a media outlet or waiting for somebody to say it, this is where you can go in and look in the SEC to see what the smart money is doing, what the big money is doing. Because the big money and the smart money has a tendency of moving the market. And a lot of people love to play copycat and just do whatever the big guys do, and they move on, which is just a smart thing. A whole big wave is coming through, right? So you can see how, looking back on it, you can see how this changed the market and pushed the market, right? So now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you guys and girls to be able to see that how you can use that Form F, how to read that Form F to see what it means, and how does it apply to the stock market. My name is Prince Dykes. This is the Investor Show. And until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else crazy you see me do around the globe. Peace, be safe. I'm out. Thank you.